Hey, it's Gordon. Welcome to the bench. Guess what? I'm not at the bench. I'm at the Grand Rapids Midwest Tool Collectors Association show. It's a regional event in Michigan. And if you saw this on the map and you chose not to attend, shame on you, because I've already walked through and I'm going to take you on a quick tour. So let's go inside and see what's going on. There's some killer prices. There's some great people. It's almost like a little private event, and it shouldn't be. You should be here because you're missing out on some pretty good deals. So let's go forward and I'll show you what's going on. So when we walk in the door, you're going to be greeted by some awesome folks, and that would be the organizer and his helpers. But let me stand right here just for a second and give you a look of the room. And this has a really cool personal feel, right? You're not going to get lost in aisles and aisles of endless tools. It's almost got a like a private event vibe going, but it's not private. This is what you should be attending. This is why you should be here, because I am going to go past the sign-in list here, and we're just going to start right on. I'm going to walk you through and show you some of the super cool things that are going on. We've got people here from Royal Oak, Michigan, Dimondale, Grand Rapids, myself, I'm in Grand Ledge, and these are very well kept and ready for sale, ready for use. Lots of cool stuff for you to do. Lots of cool things for you to see. This is what I'm talking about. Molding planes at great prices. How are you? Do you mind if I film your table? Show everybody your awesome deals. I see some really nice tools here. This has got a really unique shape to it. What's going on there? Hollows and rounds. Here's the one that you've lost. If you can't find this in your toolbox, it's right here, and it's 15 bucks, which is half the price it should be. You've got number 11. That's not the belt maker's plane, but it's close, isn't it? What's the belt maker's? Is that like 11 and a half? Or is that it?
11 is the belt maker.
The 11 is, okay. Very nice. And again, 60 bucks, great deal. It's got the rosewood. Nope, this has got the metal bottom and the adjustable mouth. Very cool. Very cool. 12 and a half there, very nice. Empty table, this could be you. The Lufkin Tools display. I'm gonna give you a peek of that. Andrew's here somewhere. He's got some really cool things going on. Who doesn't need to square up their business? That's a union. 45 bucks. 10 bucks. Some of these steel rules, precision measuring devices. Some beautiful socket chisels there. Buck Brothers, I see. Union. Stanley number 6 in there, sneaking away. This is something that I think is super cool. Community table. So you're allowed to bring up to 5 things and just set it on the table and sell them. So somebody brought a 7C with the box. Great price. 602. Number 2. A 62. Now that's not factory, but it's kind of cool how somebody did the old, almost like a boat tail design on their tote. Very cool. And someone's got a chest sitting here. And then of course the organizer's Chuck, and I told him I was going to put him on the spot. I'm not going to just drop in on him when he's having tool talk. But Chuck, tell us a little bit about what's going on in Michigan.
Well, not much is going on in Michigan. We just started, this is the first meet that's been held since 2018. Apparently COVID put a kibosh on it.
Yep.
And now we're just going to try to start it again. I plan on holding about 2 meets a year.
Good.
But I've got a lot of people here in the area that I've met here that want to have meets in their general area, so we get to move it in a area around Michigan, so maybe more people can come in.
Right. They want to help out and do what you're doing, which
They
is
wanna
not.
but they'll host the meeting.
Yeah, it's
They'll
not
host the
easy
meeting.
to organize these, and there's a little bit of work. I'm not.
There's a little
I'm
bit of
being
work,
honest,
yes.
right? And Chuck and I talked a little bit beforehand, and I expressed my interest in helping out moving forward so that we can get Michigan rolling again. But he's done a really good job with this event. He's got a great venue. The weather's perfect. I don't know about growing outside. Do you see this place as having an opportunity for us to do tailgates outside, or is that not?
I asked, we can do tailgates outside. We could set something outside
Okay.
without a problem. Just have to get more, permission from the township to be able to
Right.
do that. But it wouldn't be a problem to go, if we outgrew this particular building, we could move it outside.
Okay.
And weather dependent. We just
Okay.
can't drive, we just can't drive close in the outside.
Right. Well, thank you very much, Chuck. I just want to say
for it.
thanks
I
for
appreciate it.
getting Michigan back on the map. This is a much needed event. I said as I walked in, this feels like a personal or a private event. It's like you got great people here and you got great tools, and there's a lot of things.
MWTCA, you gotta be a member.
It is, you do, but we need more members. We need it to grow.
We need it to grow.
So the news needs to be out there. We get the information out there, and we'll go from there. We're going to keep on walking on down the line. I'm just talking. I will go right around you, my friend. Any great deals here? What'd you buy?
Oh, there's all kinds of great deals.
Jim, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm just going to broadcast to the MWTCA folks and let them know what they're missing.
Yeah.
There's a lot of great tools here.
Got to get more people out there.
We do. Get that word out there. There is a large variety of things going on here, so we're going to spend a minute. We've got broken lever caps, which is fine. This is going to be, I'm going to say this quietly, this is my favorite table. The prices here are incredibly low. This is good to go stuff, people. Are you kidding me? $25, you can't buy the rosewood. This is a low knob, early style, 25 bucks. Come on. This is what you're missing, right? 4 1/4, 90 bucks. That's in Ohio. That makes sense. That's right. That's right. You can't be standing here without something in your hand. You have to buy from this table. You already bought. Okay, well that's good to know.
I'm thinking about something else.
You should be. These prices are too low. This is great stuff. Look at this box of hollows and rounds. This is the thing that everybody dreams about, but you just don't buy them. Beautiful, beautiful shape all the way through. Okay, priced right. However, there's a whole bunch of rosewood. There's totes and knobs and stuff in here. Some of these are brand new. 20 bucks, $30, price is right. A little number one for sale. You guys are wondering what a number one, a gorgeous sweetheart number one going for 1,400 bucks. Priced right. Some LN tools and then some higher end stuff too. That's what's going on in Michigan. We're gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna give you one more view from the road here. And we hope to see you guys at the next Michigan MWTCA event.